So we'll have a fire going at about 250 degrees for where the shrimps are. That's our goal. And then the corn are a little closer to the flame, so they'll be closer to 300 degrees.
That looks good now. Much better.
Much better. Go ahead and close that lid. Yep.
Okay.
Paprika, chili powder, mayonnaise, and feta cheese.
Oh,
It's our faux Mexican street corn dip.
wow. This is going to be good. That's going to be really good. Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
Those look good.
Those are getting better.
All right, so I'm going to rotate this guy here. This guy here. Come this side. Rotate this one to here. This one to here.
Super.
Shake the shrimp up. Look how pretty.
Nice. Got to put that protective glove on.
Yes.
So the shrimp have been cooking for a little over 25 minutes. And the corn about the same amount of time. Oh, listen to that sound.
Oh, look at that.
So go ahead and
yes.
peel that husk off there.
Oh, these are done.
Ooh.
Oh, beautiful. Follow me to the plate. I'm going to put some topping on it. Oh, it peels off beautifully.
Yes, it does.
Watch this. Watch this. There we go.
Here's our version of Mexican street corn dip.
Whew. That corn is hot. Look at this.
Oh, yeah.
It's going to melt right in. That's so going to be awesome.
So all told,
Look how beautiful this one is.
this is taking between
How
25 and 30 minutes to cook.
Look how beautiful.
The corns were cooking at between 280 and 300 degrees. The shrimp at about 250.
Look at this.
And look at how that peels off.
It's beautiful. Easy peasy. Look at that. That's just amazing.
That's nice.
Look at that.
There we go.
Beautiful.
About a half teaspoon of paprika. A half
No?
teaspoon, I believe, of chili powder. Really, I should have used ancho chili, but what I had. And half an ounce of lemon juice, no, lime juice, and about a quarter cup of mayonnaise, and a whole bunch. I didn't have cotija cheese, so I've used feta cheese crumbles to make the topping for the corn. So a faux Mexican street corn recipe.
Oh, look how beautiful that looks. Great.
And that's very pretty, and it's melting in very nicely.
I'm eating the shrimp with the sauce here that you made, this extra sauce.
All right, so what's... And do you taste any of the smokiness in the shrimp? You should. We used applewood to smoke the shrimp. My shrimp are also marinated in a garlic, paprika, pepper, and a little bit of salt and lemon juice marinade. Cooked for about half an hour. Smoked for about half an hour. Alrighty.
Street corn. It looks good.
The corn is definitely done.
Good.
Good flavor on the topping.
You taste smoky?
Actually, as far as that goes, in terms of smokiness, I'm not really noticing that.
Try
so
a piece without.
Wait, hold on a second. Let me find
Rotate it without the.
Right.
Yeah.
Let me, here's the spot maybe.
There you go. Yes.
Maybe a little bit,
Yes.
but not hugely so.
Okay.
I'm not terribly surprised by that because the corns were cooking in the husk.
But they were being smoked.
They were being smoked. There's maybe a little bit of the applewood there.
Okay.
But how much of that is the sweet corn and how much of that's the sweetness from the apple? I'm not entirely
Right.
sure. It's hard to tell.
Okay.
On the other hand, the faux sweet corn dip.
That is
Yum.
great.
Yum, yum, yum.
That is that. On there and on there.